Okay, right. Let us solve another question related to area of triangle. Okay. Prove that the points 2 and minus 2, minus 2 and 1, and 5 and 2, 3 points are there. Let us take A point as 2 and minus 2, minus 2 and 1, that is B, and C as 5 and 2. So, are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, let us form. We have to prove man ABC. A is 2 minus 2, B is minus 2 and 1, and C is 5 and 2. Are the vertices of the right angled triangle. You have to prove. How we will prove? We will find out the distance AB, BC, AC, and we will see that whether Pythagoras theorem is justifying or not. What? AC square, hypotenuse square, is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. If this is proved, it means this angle will be right angle. Right? And then we can find the area of the triangle also. We have already seen in previous question. Utilizing the same formula, we can find area of triangle. Okay? Right. Let us see. So, first let us find out AB. So, I will do little fast. So, 2 minus minus 2, it will become plus 2. 2 plus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 1 whole square. It is 4 square, 4 square, and this is minus 3 whole square. So, it will become 9 plus minus 3 whole square. So, this is giving to us as 16 plus 9. So, whole root 25. It means it has become 5. Okay. Now, next one. What? BC. BC. BC minus 2 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square is equal to, so minus 7 whole square, so 7 square is 49, and here it will become minus 1 whole square, so minus 1 whole square will become 1 only, so it is giving to us as 50, which can be written as 25 into 2, so this one will become 5 root 2. Okay, right. Then AC, 2 minus 5 whole square, right, plus minus 2 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 5, so minus 3 whole square, so that is 9, and here minus 4 whole square, so 16, again 25, and this one will become 5. So, AC is equal to 5. Now, we will see. So, AB square is equal to 5 square, so 25. Now, BC square is equal to 5 root 2 whole square, so it will become 25 into 2, so it will become 50. Now, AC square is 25. AC square is 25. ABC. Okay, so BC, right? ABC is a right triangle. It means we have to see, gentlemen, we have to change it in such a way so that, because AB square we have got 25, BC square we have got 50, and AC square we have got 25. So we have to rearrange this one. We have to go for rearrangement. So our triangle will become in this way, because what we are getting, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Like this we are getting. So we have to name it. Okay. So this B point will be coming here. So our this triangle will be changed. It will not be there, and we will form a new triangle in this way, where this one will become B, this one will become C, this one will become A. So now in this case, it has become AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Why? Because BC square is 50, AB square is 25 plus 25, so 25 plus 25, 50. So Pythagoras theorem is getting justified here. Okay. So this will be the triangle. Though we initiated the process in this way, but we have not changed the values, A, B and other things. Okay, only vertices are changed. Values are not changed. Right. Now we have to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, okay, by utilizing that formula we have already done. Now we will utilize that shortcut method, in which I told you that we will be writing x1 y1 first, 2 minus 2, then minus 2, and then 1, x1 y1, x2 y2, then x3 y3, then again x1 y1, like this, and we will go for this sequence. Similarly, this and this, this. So half, so 2 into 1, 2, and minus 2 into minus 2, 4, and here it will become minus 4. So what? x1 y1, sorry, x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, this one. Then again plus another one, minus 2 into 2, it will become minus 4, right? So minus 4. Okay, and here then again minus 5 into 1, so that is 5. Smaller ones, better we will put a smaller one. Okay, then plus 5 into minus 2, so minus 10. Again we will bring here minus 10, and then minus 4. In between minus will be there, so 2 into 2, 4, like this. So it will become half, then 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Here it will becoming minus 4 minus 5, so minus 9, plus minus, so minus only, minus 9. Here it is becoming minus 10 and minus 4. Okay, minus 10 minus 4, so it is becoming minus 14, minus 14. Okay, so this is giving to us 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 9, minus 11, minus 11, minus 14, so minus 25 by 2. So it is minus 25 by 2, that is minus 12.5 square units. But area of triangle, as it is showing negative, okay, so it means that area of triangle will always be positive. Area of triangle will be 12.5 only. Okay, so it is 12.5 square unit only area. Area. It may be in different coordinate because it is coordinates are showing, that's why it is coming as 9. Okay, otherwise it will not come as 9. It will not come negative generally when all will be positive. But here what we have seen, we are going for in coordinates, different coordinates, whether it is in quadrant 1, quadrant 2 or quadrant 3 or quadrant 4, depending on that location, that's why it is showing negative. So no need to worry that why it is showing negative. Okay, area will be its magnitude only 12.5 square unit. Like in distance formula, what I told that distance formula D is equal to mod of, okay, then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is mod actually. So that mod actually is positive value always. Okay. So right, I think I have already covered all the topics which I have discussed in coordinate geometry completely. I discussed distance formula, I discussed section formula, and I discussed collinearity, and then I discussed area of triangle. All the questions we have solved it, and then we have got the values also, formulas also we have seen, and concepts also we have got clarified by solving numerical questions. Okay, so thank you, gentlemen.